Hi everyone, great morning. Today I would like to share stress relief asanas and gut reset. Please observe the demo carefully. After that, you can practice regularly. Exercise is very important. Please do it. Very simple asana but more effective. Please observe the demo. First asana, cat and cow stretch. Legs straighten. Then fold your right leg. Fold your left leg. Standing on one knee. Then palm touch the floor. Try to adjust the posture like a paw shape tabletop. Inhale, neck up, spine go inward direction. Exhale, chin touch the jugular notch, spine up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This is a beautiful stretch. Increase your digestion. The second, we call it vajrasana, thighs together. In some difficulties in your ankle, just you can small cushion or keep it a bed sheet, put it here, sit comfortably. Increase your blood flow in your digestion area. This is only one asana. You can practice it anytime. Normal breathing. Third asana, we call it Balasana. This is a very good stress relief. Child pose. Stretch your arms and slowly widen your knees and exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come up and relax for yourself. Unfold your left leg, unfold your right leg. Relax. Lot of benefit in three asana. Get reset. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share it to your friends and relatives.